Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. Yesterday we discussed about the image formation by concave mirrors. In the concave mirror we are having 6 cases. First one was when the object is placed at infinity. Second was when the object is placed beyond C. Third one was when the object is placed at C. Fourth one was when the object is placed between C and F. Fifth one was that when the object is placed at F, and last one was when the object is placed between pole and focus. So in those cases we discussed where the image is formed and what will be the nature of the image formed. Now today we will discuss about the image formation by convex mirrors. In the convex, it is painted inside again. Now it is like this, the outer part of the spoon, as we discussed in the activity. So here in the convex mirror we are having only 2 cases. First one when the object is placed at infinity. Second one when the object is placed at a finite distance. First one when the object is placed at infinity, the parallel beams will come. And I told you that the line joining the point of incidence to at this point and this point, we are supposed to draw the normal. Normal will be like that to C. These 2 lines are normal. So when the rays are incident, the parallel rays are incident, they will be reflected back. Reflected. Now the image will be formed. As we discussed, the image will be formed at the point where the rays will intersect each other. So here the rays are going, this ray is going this side, that ray is going this side. So they will not intersect in this direction. So we have to produce them in the backward direction. If we produce in the backward direction, then these rays are supposed to come from the focus. They appear to come from the focus. So the image this side they will not intersect, but if we produce in the backward side, it will appear that they are coming from focus. ऐसा लगेगा कि focus से ही वो दोनों rays आ रही हैं. So the image will be formed at focus. The image will be highly diminished, means point size or dot size, and the image will be erect, and that will be वर्चुअल क्योंकि हमने इनको प्रोड्यूस किया बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन. एक्चुअली रेज ने कट नहीं किया, हमें प्रोड्यूस करना पड़ा. दैट्स व्हाई द इमेज विल बी वर्चुअल एंड दैट विल बी इरेक्ट एंड दैट विल बी पॉइंट साइज और हाईली डिमिनिश्ड, एंड द इमेज विल बी फॉर्म्ड एट फोकस. Same case was there in the concave mirror also, when the rays are coming from the infinity. When the object is placed at infinity, the image was formed at focus, but that was in front of the mirror. Here in the case of convex mirror, the image is formed at the focus again, but it is in the back side of the mirror, and the image will be virtual. Now the second thing, when the object is placed at a finite distance. One is a parallel one. So now again we have to draw the normal. The normal at this point to the mirror will pass through the center of curvature. Now this ray will be reflected back, and this will appear to come from the focus. As we discussed here, the same thing. If the parallel ray is coming, that will be reflected, and it appears to be coming from the Now the second, at pole we can take, at the pole it will be reflected back like this. So this is going that side, this is going that side. Again they are not supposed to intersect each other, so that's why we will produce them in backward direction. So we will be produced in the backward direction like here. So A dash B. So the image will be formed when the object is at finite distance. In the case of convex mirror, the image will be formed behind the mirror between P and F, and the image will be smaller in size. ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा इतना बड़ा है, इमेज हमारी इतनी बड़ी है, मींस इमेज हमारी छोटी बड़ी है. नाउ दीज आर द टू केसेस. नाउ many times we have seen that in the automobiles or cars, the rear view mirror is there. साइड में मिरर लगा रहता है पीछे देखने के लिए कि पीछे कितनी गाड़ियां हमारी आ रही है. That mirror is a convex mirror. क्यों? Because the object, बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं, बड़े बड़े ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं, बट we can see those objects in that rear view mirror in a smaller size. तो बहुत बड़े एरिया को कवर कर लेता है, क्योंकि बड़े बड़े ऑब्जेक्ट वहाँ पे बहुत छोटे छोटे होते हैं. That's why we are using the convex mirror in the vehicles as a rear view mirror. We will explain this again tomorrow. What are the uses of convex mirror and the concave mirror? But the most important thing is that the image formation by convex mirror, only two cases are there. Be careful. You are supposed to practice to draw the ray diagrams again and again. You can draw the ray diagrams only in one case if you know the rules how to draw the ray diagram. In the static only I told you the rules that the if rays are parallel, then they will converge or diverge at focus. Okay, so again at last I want to convey the message that you are supposed to convey the message to your colleagues to subscribe the channel if they have not subscribed, and after that they are supposed to press the bell icon so that they can get the instant notification for the latest uploads. Thank you very much.